In this video, we're going to look at how to set a page as your main home page in Canvas. First, go to your Pages section. Find the page that you want to change to your home page. Make sure you click on View All Pages. Scroll down to the page you're looking for, and you can see this one's listed as our front page. I first need to remove this as my front page and assign the one I want to use as the front page. So now you can see the little mark. Once you've done that, go to the home page and then say choose home page and make sure that you indicate Pages Front Page and hit Save. And it will then adjust your new home page to the one you designed.